This dance is called slow motion. 32 count, 4 walls. There is a restart during wall 4 after 16 count. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot, step forward on left, point right to right. Do a sailor half turn to your right. Behind, side, side. Walk left forward, walk right forward. Do an ankle step. Rock back, recover, rock back. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Rock right back, recover on left. Step right forward, make a pivot half turn to your left. Another quarter turn to your left. Big step with the right. Drag left close to right. Behind, side, cross. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Rock right to right side. Rock right, recover. Cross shuffle. Make a quarter to your right. Stepping left back. Step right next to left. Make a cross shuffle. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Step right to the side. Hold and ball step quarter. Right lock step, step lock step. 2 pixie walk, left and right. So last section with a count. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So in this dance, during wall 4, there's a restart after 16 count. Let me show you wall 4, facing 3 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the end of 16 count. Your weight is on the left. So you start, use your finger to click for 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.